Good morning. It's currently the next day and it's almost 8 o'clock. And here's Eloise.
They've got their matching Universal.
First Universal day.
Are they ready for Universal and their matching tops? Have fun!
Bye!
Now me and Byron are on our own, we're in the car. Byron's driving. What are we going to do?
We can go to Blizzard Beach?
Yes, I think we should. It's sunny at the moment, so I think we're going to go back to the hotel and get changed and then we can go to Blizzard Beach. I also need to go to Disney Springs to get my jumper. There's Cabana Bay where we went to the other day, and that's the Aventura we went to the other day. We've decided to come to McDonald's for breakfast again, but this time we are going to the largest McDonald's in the world because we haven't been here yet this year. Yeah, let's go in. We've got our McDonald's. Let's go. Byron's just getting some petrol. There he is. I can't actually remember whether I said or not, but Christian and Jenna have gone to Universal Studios today. So that's why it's just me and Byron. I think Christian's going to video some on his camera though, so hopefully we can put some of the clips in here of what they get up to. But we are going to go to Blizzard Beach I think soon, hopefully get a bit of a tan while the sun is out. And then we need to go to Disney Springs to get my Spirit jersey, and also I think we might pop to Walmart. Yeah, so I'm going to try and film something in Blizzard Beach today. So we'll see how I get on. Also, today is the 18th of June, which means it's my dad's birthday. Happy birthday, Dad!
Happy birthday, Chris.
Here we are at Blizzard Beach again. Little B is here. I'm here. It's very nice here. We like it.
So we left Blizzard Beach as, well, we're pretty much going to leave anyway, and just as we were about to leave it poured down with rain, so it's pretty much good timing. And we've ended up in Walmart, haven't we?
We're finished now.
We've done lots of shopping.
Look at our shopping trolleys full of cakes and biscuits and things to take home for people.
Yeah.
M&M's,
Oreos, that's a bit for today. Chocolate raisins, Rolos, those cookies, biscuits, so much. So we're going to have to fit this in our third case, aren't we? And pray our weight of all our other shopping doesn't come above, what is it, 23 kg? Should be alright. 3 cases.
This is not that heavy.
No, exactly.
We might be alright.
Yeah. Right, let's get out of here.
It's very busy here and Byron's just dancing. Oh, that's nice. We are back at Disney Springs now. Byron's just been doing some dancing. My hair's still wet from the water park, but we went to Walmart and now we're here and it's stopped raining. Woo! Now we're going to World of Disney again.
Gonna get some poutine,
to get my jumper, Spirit jersey. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That will have to be for now with the hair.
Beautiful. Hello.
Hello, got my jumper.
What are you getting? back in here again. Showed everyone this yesterday.
Yeah, but this is the actual.
This is the actual one that you're going to be wearing. Oh, you little Graham.
We're back from Disney Springs now, and we've just come to the pool for a little while. And Byron is here. Again now. It's about 6:30 and me and Byron have already showered. It stopped raining, which is good. We're going to go to City Walk to Bubblegum again because when we went last week it was very rushed going to the Blue Man and we like it there a lot, so we're going to go there. And then Christian and Jenna are at Universal, so we can pick them up as well. Here's Byron just come out the room. Look at you tonight. Ooh, very handsome. So we're gonna go to City Walk.
Lucky you.
Spoke too soon, it started raining again a lot. I don't think you can see it here, but no, you can't. It's raining. You're gonna get wet. Shall we get our plastic coats?
No.
Okay then. This is where we've parked King Kong 307. Here we are. We are here at City Walk on the Travelator.
We love City Walk on the Travelator.
So excited, we're going to Bubblegum.
We're in coconut shrimp. Yummy, yummy. Good for my tummy.
Cheers! We're married! We're in Bubblegum now. We've got nice little food for the both of us. And we like to sit next to each other when we come.
Very nice. That's like a box of chocolates.
And we know what you're gonna get.
Hey!
Our food has arrived now. Byron's got his and I've got mine. Yum! Finished in Bubblegum now, and we are going to go and see how much the mini golf is in City Walk because we want to do it. Here it is. We are going to golf now. I've got my little ping ball. Byron's so excited. There's someone right there looking at him. Yay! Let's have a look. We've gone to the space side.
Sci-fi alien attack.
Please watch your step. Just adding up the scores now. Who's won? Drum roll please.
Second place with 488.
488?
48
is Byron.
Yes, there it is.
Oh.
First place with 46 points.
so close.
And the winner goes to the undefeated one and only Byron Pipkin, and in second place is the loser Eloise Pipkin.
I was 2 points.
4 points. And I gave you lots of points also, so
No,
maybe 20
no,
points.
you're cheap.
20 points.
No, I'm the winner.
Winner, chicken dinner.
They're back.
You pay how much for 2 weeks?
They brought me a biscuit.
We probably did just as much as do in a week. You don't go to school day.
It's the future me again. Here's Byron. We got back last night from City Walk and fell straight to sleep, so I forgot to finish the video. So yeah, goodbye.